Hello friends, today we shall discuss about fraction. Fraction. First of all, we'll know the definition of fraction, right? The definition of fraction, we can say that that a fraction a fraction is a number representing part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. That is the definition of fraction. A fraction is a number representing part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Now, how we represent a fraction? Suppose we have taken a figure like this, and if suppose this part and this part are equal, only then fraction can be explained, right? Suppose this one is shaded portion. Now, how many fraction of this part is shaded? We can say that shaded is one part and total part is 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? In the other way, you can say in this way also. Suppose in this figure there are three parts, right? And this part is shaded. And how many parts are shaded? You can say part is one part. And how many total parts? That is 1, 2, 3. That is 3. That is 1 by 3 part is shaded. If we take two parts, then it will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3. If we take three parts, all the three parts, then it is 3 by 3, 3 by 3. That means whole part are equal to one part, 1. That is whole. That is whole. Right? In this way, we can define fraction. Besides that, we can say, suppose 1 by 2. This number, the upper one, is known as the numerator, and this number is known as the denominator. This is numerator. This is numerator, and this is denominator. Denominator. This is denominator, right? In this way, we can define fraction. Now, there are different types of fractions. Number one is like fractions. Like fractions. What are like fractions? The fractions in which the denominator is same are known as like fractions. For example, I am giving one example, that is 1 by 5, 1 by 5, or 2 by 5, 2 by 5, or 3 by 5, 3 by 5, or 4 by 5. You see, in all these fractions, denominator is same. Therefore, we say these as like fractions. There is another other types of fraction. These are known as unlike fractions. Unlike. It is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Those fractions in which the denominator is not same are known as unlike fractions. That is 1 by 5, 2 by 6, 3 by 8, These are known as unlike fractions because the denominator is not same. Besides that, there are other fractions also, that is proper fractions. What is that? Proper fraction. Proper proper fraction. Proper fractions. Proper fractions are if the numerator is less than the denominator, it is proper fraction. It's 1 by 2. Or 1 by 2 or 1 by 5. 1 by 5 or 2 by 5. These are proper fractions because here the numerator is less than the denominator, therefore these are proper fractions. Next one is improper fractions. Improper. What are improper fractions? Improper fraction. Improper improper fraction. Improper fraction. What are improper fractions? Improper fractions are like this. That is, if the denominator is greater than the numerator, suppose 3 by 2, 3 by 2, or you can say 5 by 2. These are improper fractions. Or 8 by 3. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, these are known as improper fractions. Beside that, one is mixed fraction. Mixed. Mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction are those fractions in which one is whole and other is a proper fraction, right? Suppose one whole 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction, right? This is a whole number and this is 1 by 2 is proper fraction. Another suppose 5 1 by 3. These are mixed fractions. 5 is the whole number and 1 by 3 is the proper fractions, right? Another way, suppose 7 2 by 3. These are all mixed fractions. That means this 7 is the whole number and 2 by 3 is the proper fractions. That means a fraction in which one whole number is there and one proper fraction is there, therefore it is known as a mixed fraction. These are the different types of fractions, right? And we have to represent how to represent the fractions we have already discussed. But suppose this one improper fraction, how we represent the improper fraction, that is 3 by 2. How? First of all, you have to divide 3 by 2. Suppose we want to represent 3 by 2, that is improper fractions 3 by 2. And how will represent? First divide 3 by 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1. That is, we can see write it as 1 whole 1 whole 1 by 2. And how you represent this one 1 whole 1 by 2? Suppose I represent this 1 whole 1 by 2. Suppose this is a whole and this one is half of that. This one I have taken half. This one is whole and this one is half 1 by 2. Therefore, if we take the shaded portion, we are getting 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. Right? This means we represent the improper fraction like this. 1 whole and 1 by 2 is half of that. That means 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. How we get 3 by 2? 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. Right? You have to represent this improper fraction like this, and we already discussed about proper fraction. It is very easy. That is, out of 2 it is 1, that is 1 by 2. Out of 3 it is 1, that is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, or 3 by 3 means whole. Right? And improper fraction you have to divide the numbers. Right? Suppose this one is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. How do you represent 5 by 2? First divide 5 by 2. And what we are getting? 2. Then we are getting 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. That is 2 whole 1 by 2. What we are getting? 2 whole is equal to 2 whole 1 by 2. 2 whole 1 by 2. That means you have to take 2 whole. There is 1 whole like this. Again 1 whole and half of that. Right? This is shaded portion. This is shaded portion, and this is shaded portion. This is 1, this is 1, and this is 1 by 2. Therefore, we are getting 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 2 whole 1 by 2. In this way, we can represent the improper fractions. Right? Right? And mixed fraction is same as that of improper fractions. Okay. In mixed fraction also we can represent the fractions in this way. Dear friends, this is the introduction of fraction. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.